Well,
Yep. What's going on?
no rollback of interim toll rates. The Transport Ministry says there'll be no rollback of the interim increases of the rates on the North-South Highway.
But there is a rollback, I read. I'm certain the minister said he promised the folks that he would roll it back, and he said he is going to roll it back. I read that yesterday. I'm sure I read that yesterday, that the minister said that he promised the folks that he would roll it back, and he's going to. So I'm not certain if that...
This one's a little, it says the toll rates were rounded to the nearest paper note because there was a coin shortage.
Right, and he said no, that he heard that they...
No, but they said the PAAC, which is the Public Accounts and Appropriations Committee, is demanding that there be a rollback because of the ease in the shortage.
Yep.
So in a release late last night, Permanent Secretary Dr. Alwyn Hales said the adjustments were effected in April and they will remain, given that the toll rate is set to be reviewed and adjusted
I don't
in
want
September.
to go against you, but I know I read yesterday where the Honourable Minister Mike Henry said he promised them that as soon as the coin shortage was fixed, they would
He would, right.
rollback.
So apparently because it hasn't been.
No.
So this is yesterday.
I think, I'm going to question that one. I'll question that one,
right.
even though it's given to us by someone who I trust, but I still will question it because I read somewhere that he said it would be rolled
Well,
back.
the fact is, it's pretty much August. So I think what the Permanent Secretary is saying, to roll it back for the month of August, and it's going to go back up in September. Might be splitting hairs. So he's saying they will take the interim adjustment into account. So maybe when September comes, the difference between what the current shortage was.
North-South Highway to be rolled back. Minister of Transport, Mike Henry, has rescinded the ministry's decision
not to roll it back.
He said in a statement, he said the decision to have the fees rolled back came amid him being satisfied that there's no longer a shortage of coins, which led to the increase a few months ago. He says, I'm now advising, and I'm quoting here, he says, I'm now advising that there will be indeed a rollback of the toll rates as soon as the operators confirm with me that they have ease of access to coins. He said this rollback should be effective this weekend.
Okay.
He says, I'm mindful that the ministry had given a commitment to the public at the time of the adjustment that as soon as the coin shortage eased, there'll be a rollback of the rate. It is my intention to honor that commitment. So that was
great.
at 4:30 yesterday afternoon.
But it seems then the PS and the minister not... Well,
yeah, and I'm told by someone else that it did come in the news last evening that they are going to roll it back. So
nice.
There you go.
Nice.
What's the next one?
September is a roll forward.
Roll forward. What's the next one?
A study suggests that Usain Bolt's uneven stride is what makes him fast.
Yeah. He has scoliosis, like myself, and because of that, and I think most people in the world, believe it or not, one leg is shorter than the other.
All right.
It is not, what's the word? Anomaly?
Yes.
So it's natural almost. And they're suggesting that maybe if he tried to fix that, because it can be fixed apparently with
well, they're saying usually an uneven stride tends to slow a runner
right,
down.
That's what I'm saying. But they're saying this might actually be helping him.
They examine videos. His right leg strikes the track with about 13% more peak force than his left leg. Also, with each stride, his left leg remains on the ground about 14% longer than his right leg. They said he optimized his speed based on his symmetry.
And it's amazing because he's so brilliant that they decided we're going to study this athlete to see why. Because there are things that he does that he ought not to do because of his height.
Yeah.
He shouldn't be coming out of the blocks, even though he doesn't come out as quickly as a lot of other people. He shouldn't be coming out that quickly because of his height. So he has done things that no one else has done, obviously. And they want to study to see why. First, they wanted to know why Jamaica done so fast. I think they've all decided that is yam caused that. Don't?
I don't know if it's yam.
And them say fast twitch muscles and all kinds of different things. So they're studying.
We're out of many one people kind of people, you know. So, you know, we kind of have the best of with Afrocentricity and with European lick up in a one.
As you said that, yesterday we had a vox pop and we were asking the folks
about Jamaican citizenship.
About Jamaican citizenship. How many
counties?
No, how many national heroes do we have?
6.
And they didn't get that right. They asked them the motto, and a lady just said, out of one, many people.
Nothing wrong with that.
Which me did like that one.
Me like that one there. Nothing wrong with that. One Jamaica, whole heap of people.
The lady just said,
She interpret.
out of one, many
Yes,
people.
yeah.
So the next one they said, how many counties? A man just said 14 is a very simple thing. 14 county England we live. It was a very simple thing, but I enjoyed it. But I said yesterday, and I'll say it again, that sometimes just an exam, you know everything. Sometimes just the mic in front of you, you kind of get carried away.
And even I think about it all the time,
Yeah.
you tend to lose it. That's why you need to reinforce. Certain. You ever see some people when they must sing the national anthem?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know, sometimes, especially the second verse, if everybody else not singing, sometimes it catch me quiet little. So if it's me when I sing, I kind of go, But when everybody else sing, as a little boy, it was the Lord's Prayer. I couldn't say it by myself. But when everybody around it, me up there, we don't even know.
No, man, we have to have the national pledge. We have to.
Well, I don't know the national pledge.
Before God and all mankind.
I don't even know how it starts.
Before God and all mankind.
I don't know the national pledge.
You see? Nothing is wrong with that. Well, I won't say nothing is wrong. I'm not blaming you, but I'm saying every Jamaican should know the
Yeah, and I
national
agree,
pledge.
but
Because the wording of it and the content of it just tells you
but I don't
exactly
know the
this is
national.
Jamaican. That's what we should be.
You know,
In the service of my fellow
yeah,
citizens.
when I say things like that, some people just look at me and say, no, well, half of them here don't know.
Benjamin know the
it's
national pledge.
That man I don't know. Me can't tell.
Yeah,
Me I look
no,
at
no.
him. Him
Call
never
them
know.
name, man.
That man
Call
I never
them.
know that we
Name
have a
them and
national
shame
pledge.
them. Marvin no know.
Everybody know
I've
national
never
pledge.
seen Harrow's.
Everybody know national
This is
pledge.
the viewfinder on the camera. And see Harrow Eddie are going
Trevor, you know
there.
it?
Come now, want me ask him. Trevor know them things, the man.
Stacey, you know the national pledge? Oh, here in a why? Of course. I bet if I call her, I should even know where to start.
Unique
Well,
just
I
a laugh.
don't know where
Unique
to
just a
start.
laugh. Unique no one nobody ask her.
All right.
Me go pop a quiz one morning on Smile Jamaica, you know, and see if you don't know national pledge. The national school song.
Hot topics. What's the last one?
O.J. Simpson.
Free in October.
Parole after 9 years.
Well, not fully 9,
prison.
almost 9.
Yeah.
But life funny, so he gets off a double murder charge. They did a survey, and only 7% thought that he didn't kill his ex-wife and her friend.
Innocent until proven guilty.
Yeah, and he got
They've
off
never
that.
proven him
And
guilty.
then he goes back to get his own stuff. Someone stole his own stuff, like his football memorabilia. He goes back, and then he gets 33 years for that. And he's free, or going to be free, after less than 9 years.
It's unfortunate because my belief is that they felt he got away in the first instance
and charged him and locked him up for this one.
And the jury wanted him to pay. So they, because somebody thief my things and I go retrieve it and I get a 9 to 33 year sentence.
Man, incredible.
That's crazy.
Incredible.
That's crazy.
He was an outstanding running back.
Yeah.
He was brilliant. Played for the
Yeah.
Buffalo Bills
Yeah.
for many, many years. Went to UCLA. Was actually on a relay team with Michael Frey, Bobby's brother.
Oh, really?
At UCLA was part of that relay team, but he was an
Super athlete, man.
he
Super
was
athlete.
a brilliant, and he was an actor. You saw him running across, jumping
he was
over
in a
things.
couple of films.
Yeah.
Denzel is an actor.
All right, folks. So OJ will be free. I think October 1. They say. There you go.
Johnson,
70 years
Where are you
old.
with my birthdays?
I have a birthday greeting, but the picture is in my other phone. So Brian, I can't show you a picture. His name is Brian Burkett. He's a wonderful young footballer, an outstanding young footballer who actually just passed for high school. So Brian, I love you so much. I wish you all the best. Your birthday tomorrow, of course, and happy birthdays coming from your dad and from your mom and your brother and from all of us here. Hope you have a great day tomorrow. Huh? I know you're going to have some fun.
Sandy.
Who named
I
Sandy?
tell you something, I'm not forgetting. I tell you, I'm going to do it this morning because
Who
I know
named Sandy?
today is your birthday, girl.
Who is
Happy
Sandy?
birthday to you. And Mr. Johnson met Jackie Horton beat me because his daughter's birthday is tomorrow. Nikki,
They
sweet
never said that
16. That's
yesterday.
one.
Oh.
Nikki, sweet 16 yesterday. His other daughter is tomorrow. But the name in the phone, Jackie said that's a Jackie daughter. Happy birthday to you when it comes tomorrow. And I'm picking up Janet Silvera, Miss Montego Bay.
All right, there you
Celebrating
go.
her birthday all week.
Happy birthday, folks.
All right.
What is that?
At the car key, I have another phone. The phone there somewhere. Me soon find it.
All right. Happy birthday, folks.
Hey,
Have a great
Trev,
day
happy
today.
birthday.
Not have a day